Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very interesting remedy. A remedy which has a very specific action and a very important action on the sexual sphere. And the remedy is Homoeopathy. Now Homoeopathy is a very interesting remedy, and its symptoms are very specific to its core. Why? Because in Homoeopathy sometimes it is lot of times it is misused and given like blindly for any kind of sexual troubles, but it has a very important symptom where it is written that erections in Homoeopathy are very troublesome and very painful. It is a very interesting remedy when the erections are continued, and it is given for priapism. Priapism means painful erection. Now, whenever the word priapism comes to our mind, you have to think about 3-4 remedies which are very important, and the first in the list is definitely cantharis. Cantharis is there, capsicum is there, calibrome is there, ginseng is there, picric acid is there, and Homoeopathy is there. So painful erection, or it is called as continued priapism. Now this is a very important symptom of Homoeopathy. It is present in only few remedies, that is erection is very troublesome, continued priapism, and especially in the morning. And this is a very important symptom because continued priapism, especially in the morning, is a very important symptom of Homoeopathy. But it is also covered by few other remedies which are again very frequently used in this symptom, and that is, first is pulsatilla, second is natrum carb, and also digitalis. Of course there are other two remedies, but these 3-4 remedies I have seen very useful when the erections are troublesome, continued priapism in the morning, that is Homoeopathy, pulsatilla, and natrum carb. As you go further, the erection in Homoeopathy is very strong, and again erection troublesome, strong in the morning. When we have strong erection, also think about Homoeopathy in the morning. Think about sepia, naxomica. In fact, there's a remedy allium cepa, which is generally used for complaints of upper respiratory disorder. It is also a remedy where the erections are very strong, especially in the morning. And now again, the second part of Homoeopathy is also, it is also given for conditions called as impotency, where there is no erection, weak erection. That is also taken care of in Homoeopathy. In Homoeopathy, you have to understand one thing also. Homoeopathy is a remedy. Apart from this, there are symptoms of anger, and in Homoeopathy, anger is always with trembling. There's a lot of trembling when the patient becomes angry. Now, whenever this symptom comes, anger with trembling, do think about one of the best remedy you can see is Staphylococcus aureus, zincum metallicum, platina, aurum metallicum, and nitric acid. But it is also covered in Homoeopathy. Normally what happens, we study lots of Homoeopathy in sexual sphere and forget this symptom, which is also very important. One more very important thing of Homoeopathy is the taste. The taste of Homoeopathy is metallic taste. Now metallic taste, again, metallic taste in the mouth is Homoeopathy, but there are a lot other remedies also, as you know, that is we have cocculus, we have mercury, we have natrum carb, we have rustox, we have senega also, which has metallic taste. But also in Homoeopathy we have metallic taste. I am telling this because sometimes what happens that you fail to understand the other symptoms of a drug which is rarely used in those conditions. That's why we fail to appreciate its symptom. One more symptom of Homoeopathy that you should remember is the extremities symptom. As I told you, there is trembling on anger, and same in extremities, especially indicated for trembling of the hand. If there is trembling of the hand also, Homoeopathy is a very important remedy. Think about agaricus, calcarea carb, calcarea phos, causticum in comparison to Homoeopathy. Of course, natrum mur is there, natrum carb is there, mercury is there, phosphorus is also there, but Homoeopathy is also there. This is important. And one more symptom of Homoeopathy is weakness. There is a lot of weakness, there is a lot of prostration in relation to sexual sphere also. In this, you do think about Agnus castus, or you do think about Staphylococcus aureus also. Or these are the remedies which have weakness because of sexual excess and onanism. One symptom of Homoeopathy heart that you have to remember is Homoeopathy is an interesting remedy when there is palpitation and there is a violent and it's called a vehement action of the earth. There is a lot of palpitation in Homoeopathy. So these are some rare symptoms and some important symptoms of Homoeopathy which I have seen in my practice and clinically given in those conditions, which has given me very good results of Homoeopathy. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.